Hello, my name is Alessa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. In this video, we will talk about food. I will give you some verbs that we use when we talk about ways of cooking, and I will give you a lot of adjectives to describe taste. And at the end of the video, you will hear some food idioms that you can hear everywhere people speak about in everyday life.
Ways of cooking.
Bake, boil, grill, fry, roast, to cook food in an oven or over a fire, steam, to cook food using steam, saute, to cook food in oil, usually until it is brown, smoke, to cook meat, fish, or cheese using smoke.
Ways of cooking eggs.
Fried eggs, sunny side up, over easy eggs, scrambled eggs, soft boiled, hard boiled, poached, omelet.
Food adjectives to describe taste.
Sweet, sugary. Candy is very sweet. Sweet and sour. Some pineapples are sweet and sour. Bittersweet. Most red grapefruits are bittersweet. Salty. Feta cheese has a rich and slightly salty flavor. Sour. Plain yogurt is usually sour. Bitter. I like bitter chocolate and bitter coffee. Strong flavored from spice. Seasoned, spicy, hot. Bland. Lacks sweetness, saltiness, bitterness. Doesn't have flavor. Savory. Tasting of salt or spices and not sweet, usually about bread or pastry. Greasy, fatty, oily. Containing or covered with fat or oil. Mild. It doesn't have a strong taste. Mature. Has a good, strong taste which has developed during a long period of time. Raw. Not cooked. Unripe. Not ready to be collected or eaten. Ripe. Ready to be collected or eaten. Rotten. Badly decayed and no longer good to use. Spoiled. Destroyed, damaged, or no longer able to be used.
Food adjectives to describe texture.
Dry. The bread was too dry to eat. Moist, juicy. The steak is so juicy. Watery, soggy. The French fries are too watery or soggy. Crunchy. Makes a loud noise when it is eaten. Crackers, carrots, celery. Potato chips are usually crunchy. crispy. Food that is crispy is pleasantly hard on the outside. Onion rings are crispy. Flaky, a light texture that come apart during eating. Croissants are usually flaky. Fluffy, a light and airy texture. Beat the eggs and sugar together until they are fluffy. Creamy, thick and smooth like cream. The tomato soup was hot, creamy, and delicious. Chewy, a food that needs much chewing. It can be good or bad. Chewy cookies are good. Chewy steak is bad. Tender, a soft texture that is easy to break down. This roast pork is tender. Smooth, a nice even texture without big pieces. This dessert is deliciously smooth and creamy. Let's compare the taste. Radish is bitter. Lime is sour. Cherry is sweet. Watermelon is watery. Honeydew melon is sugary. Prune is dry. Potato is bland. Cranberry is sour. Pomegranate is bittersweet.
Food adjectives to describe your opinion.
Mouth-watering, scrumptious, delicious, tasty, yummy. Disgusting, unhealthy, nasty, yucky, gross.
Food idioms.
Idiom number 1, to have egg on your face, meaning you did something embarrassing that made you look silly or ridiculous. He had egg on his face after saying he could do 50 push-ups and then giving up after doing just 20. Idiom number 2, bigger fish to fry, meaning to have more important or more interesting things to do. Sorry, I can't help you at the moment. I have bigger fish to fry. Idiom number 3, take with a grain or pinch of salt, meaning to consider or accept something skeptical, to look at something with doubtfulness. Most of the people around the world are taking COVID-19 seriously, but a few are taking it with a grain of salt. Idiom number 4, it smells fishy, meaning to seem suspicious. It causes you to think that someone is being dishonest. Don't you think his excuses smell fishy? Idiom number 5, the cream of the crop, meaning to be the best in a group, the very best of all. This restaurant is definitely the cream of the crop.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. See you soon.